Our video today is about how to pack fast. If you're like me, you've just found out that you have a trip and you don't have much time to get ready, or maybe you procrastinated and just need to pack fast. So we're going to talk about the strategies to make sure that you remember everything that you need to remember. And you could just think of me kind of like a video packing list. So I would recommend that you stop this video from time to time to do what you need to do and then restart it when you're ready to go to the next step. I'm Darlene with Plan, Pack, and Relax, and I am taking a 4-day, 3-night unexpected trip to Arizona where I have some business and some personal stuff that I'm going to be doing. All right, here we go. So the first thing that we're going to want to think about are the things that are critical. And by that, I mean any prescriptions that you need or anything related to your health and well-being. Go get those things now and set them out. The next thing you're going to want to think about is basically anything else that would tank your trip if you didn't bring it. So for me, that would include things like my sound machine or the pillow that I use at night for my back. So I'm going to grab those things because without those things, I don't sleep very well. The next thing are your undergarments. If you need a guideline, I would say one for each day plus 1, 2, or 3 extras depending on the length of your trip. Mine is a 4-day trip, so I think I've got 6 pairs of socks and underwear and a neutral bra. And remember, we can switch this stuff out at the end. We're really setting stuff out now as we're in a rush. We have a lot on our mind and we just want to make sure we don't forget anything. You can swap it later. And now, what are you going to need to sleep in? A pair of shorts or whatever, go ahead and set those out. If you need a robe, you could go ahead and grab that or whatever it is you would like. Next, pants. So I'm going to be bringing, my general guideline is 1 pair per day. Doesn't mean I'm going to wear 1 pair per day. I might wear 1 for a couple of days, but I do need a variety of things because I'm doing all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to be bringing 2 pairs of jeans, a pair of cargo style jeans that are wide leg casual. I'll probably wear these on the plane. This is kind of a wide leg. It looks like a jean. It's actually a dark blue linen pant. I've got a pair of white pants that could be dressy. And then I have a pair of black pants for my most dressy times. Now is the time you're going to think about your shoes. I am going to be wearing a pair of low-heeled boots. I have the athletic shoes that I'm wearing now. They're black. And then I have a pair of little sandals / flip-flops in case I need them. If nothing else, for the hotel room, if I think the carpets are gross, I like to have a pair of flip-flops. So they're all black and they go with all these pants. And I made sure that the length of these pants would go with the boots. Now, I travel a lot. I travel almost all the time. So I kind of know what those things are. If you need to try them on quickly, you can, or just bring off flats, guys. Whatever, if you're in a hurry, bad or good, just get your stuff together and get what you need. Now we're going to grab some shirts. I've got 7 shirts here. I've got everything from a very thick shirt for very cool evenings. I've got a lighter weight V-neck, plain black tee. I have this dressier shirt. Anyhow, you get the idea. You bring what's best for you. Just be sure that you've got covered all of the weather. I've got this is a sweater that has like a cap sleeve in case it does get warm during the day. And I can put one of my jackets over that. So jackets. What kind of jackets do you need? I almost always bring a windbreaker, and then I've got a puffy coat that I'll either wear on the plane or condense to put either in my backpack or my carry-on. Next, belts. This is an easy thing to forget if you're in a hurry on a trip. And then I'm bringing a black purse. This is my travel purse. It's a crossbody bag, a zip up that I'll bring. Let's switch and go to toiletries. My toiletry bag pretty much stays packed all the time, but there are some things that I switch out, especially when you're sometimes carrying on and sometimes not. So this is a carry-on. So these are my dry things. In this bag on the top, I keep essentially a sewing kit, a lint brush. These are all things that have to do with hygiene that kind of just stay in there all the time. I've got my glasses, a little bit of medication. By the way, a little word about medication. So you're healthy now, right? But if you start to feel a little bit unwell, maybe a little bit of a cold or a sniffle, bring those things that you might need, like cough drops, something to deal with a little sneezing, maybe something to dry you up. I did not bring those things on my last trip, and wouldn't you know, I got a cold and I spent more buying things that I already had at home than it would have taken me buy 2 carry-ons, I think. Anyhow, so I am bringing a little bit of medication on this trip, some Band-Aids, some allergy pills, that kind of thing. I've got my deodorant in here and then my dry makeup. If you haven't seen my video on makeup to bring, this is the palette that I bring. It is essentially something that has your blush and your makeup all in here. And then I bring a little tiny other palette for some extra color that I keep in here as well. You're going to be sure you've got your deodorant. And if you need any kind of razors, shaving cream, a good rule of thumb is to go through these categories. So hair, what do you need for your hair? Do you have a hairbrush? Do you have your comb? Do you have any shampoo that you feel you need to bring? Anything you need to pull your hair up? Anything to do with your eyes? Be sure you've got your glasses, your contact lenses, your Visine, anything you need for your skin. So most of my skincare is in my wet bag. I also cover the items that I bring for skincare in my video on makeup that I'll link to. I've got my hand sanitizer, of course, lotion. So going back to our list, we were talking about skincare. Now teeth, what do you need for your teeth? Make sure you've got your toothbrush, toothpaste, anything you need to floss with, and then nails. I'm not going to bring much on this trip. It's a short trip, just a file. So skin, eyes, hair, anything else that you need, be sure that you are grabbing it. I am going to bring a couple packets of conditioner and something to remove my makeup with at night. So I think that's it for toiletries. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of jewelry. I'm going to bring these earrings that I have. I'm going to bring one extra pair of earrings, which are silver, a pair of hoops. And then I'm going to be bringing this necklace. It's kind of gold and silver and it dresses pretty much anything up. And then I am going to be bringing just a little bit of something in case it's cold so that I have a scarf and that kind of thing. Basically, you can be prepared for any kind of weather. Don't forget your tech. So right now, get your phone, your computer, your iPad, whatever it is you want to bring, the cords along with a battery backup. Mine are already in my backpack, so I keep that already packed. If you need to bring any headphones with you for the plane or earbuds for when you're there, you can do that. And this is my stuff on the plane that I need: snacks, pens, paper, lip balm, something to pull my hair back, and some Kleenexes. I carry all that in here and it kind of lives in my bag. And then be sure you've also got an air tag. I would put one in all of your items just in case. It's good to know where they are and be able to track them. Now, Apple has given the ability to share the location of your item with the airline in case your bags are lost, which is a cool new change for 2025. If this video has been helpful, please be sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please, please, please. Give us a like. It helps the algorithm serve up our video to others. And hit save if you would like to keep this video for any time you might need to take a last-minute trip. Thanks very much and have a great and safe trip. Don't stress. Everything will be fine. Bye.